Look at the hills back there, man. Beautiful. And look what I found. We're in the near the mine. Riley Bembry. Name sound familiar? Riley Bembry. Learned a lot about Riley in this trip. Man, that guy had freaking property all over the place. Let's see what this is. Perhaps to remove ore from I don't know what it's doing, but whatever it's doing it now. I'm gonna check out this cabin. This is a volunteer cabin now, and what that means is you can use it and stay in it, first come first serve. So let's go check out the cabin. Little Pepsi bottle. That's cool. My Pepsi machine, this is a 10-ounce bottle. My Pepsi machine used to dispense those. Pump. Oil can. That's empty. Wow. I'm gonna get some pictures while I'm here. There's Riley Bembry. That's the truck at Roger's place. Pretty cool. Doesn't look like that anymore. It's a little more sun faded, but $2,016. 4718 real estate. 2018. 2018. Swing like a 19 here. 19. February 19th. Man, a lot of people. Middleton, Rhode Island. Let's see who his last one. 10-7. Steve from Capone. I got no one here. I'll call Dave. Nice stove. Flashlight works. There's a little bit of water left. The sink, that's cute. That water's empty. Oh, you think that bottle got a little warm? Federal law prohibits sale or reuse of this bottle. Okay then. Oh, would you look at that? Christmas lights. They turned off. One, two, three, four, five, 8, 9. There we go. Sleeping area. Dang, no Altoids. Got some reading materials here. Oh, there's a little bit left. That, a truer statement was never made. 1985. Thanking everyone for your hard work, for a man who said, I will not be remembered. Your loved Dad, now and always. Your spirit lives on through the hard work of this group. Thank you. Awesome. Well, let's see. We got mac and cheese. We got some canned goods here, some spices, some pasta, oatmeal. Oh, freaking, I could go for one of these. Oh, Pop-Tart. You could stay up here for a couple of days if you had to. You know, Prince Albert crimp cut. You see these all over the desert, but I've never seen one until today. Roger had one of these in his little collection, but it didn't have the printing on it. I've never seen one that wasn't crushed that had the printing on it. That is pretty cool. Alright, off the main room here, you got another door. Leads out to a porch area. Ooh, this room is warm. This gets all this afternoon sun. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh. Some copper ore. Oh. The Riley Bembry Museum. Oh my God, isn't that sweet? Apparently people wander around. These are sulfides right here. Some quartz. Oh, look at this little baby's flip-flop. That's cool. C84T. This is what I need for my farm all. They don't make those plugs no more. Oh, look at this little Pepsi can. What do we got here? Orange Crush, Royal Crown. Oh, Concord Grape. There's another one of those tobacco tins. That's usually what they look like, but flattened. Oh my goodness. Hello? Oh, would you believe that I just had 5 bars or 4 bars of 5G. Way out here. Oh, a little tape dispenser. I don't know what that is. Probably carbides. Yeah. Oh, let me close this door. Just a side note, if you come into winter closed, summer open, I'll close it. It's coming into winter. Okay. If you come into these places and they have doors that shut them. Here's that back room. Look at this. Play a game of checkers. Solar powered. That's funny. Well, I tell you what, the sun really heats that room up. Alright, make sure all the doors are closed. And we'll go outside, yeah. Because if you don't close the doors, the rats get in. Rats get in, they shit all over the place. You know, their feces is known to cause hantavirus, which is fatal in 50% of the people that get it. That's why we're careful when we go into old abandoned places and mines and stuff. Oh, there's more over there. Oh, I'm gonna run out of daylight, dude. Look at that view. See, this is what I mean. Freaking pack rats get in here and they just freaking, you know, all over the place. Alright. That's all I got today, guys. Thanks for coming with me and checking out this volunteer cabin out here in the middle of the desert. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. So if you haven't done so yet, Click the subscribe button under this window and the little bell icon right next to it so you too can be notified of future uploads. If you found this video to be entertaining and informative, smash that like button and share it with your vast social media network. If you found it to be stupid and I'm an idiot, click the dislike button. In fact, if you disliked it that much, click it twice and share it with your vast social media network. Did you do it? Thanks, you're awesome. You stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry, and have a splendid day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.